Alright, so Donkey's pulling the fan right now, because we have to kind of fab up the fan shroud and get that handled. And then we'll get the carb studs here for this, because we want to make this nicer. But, nope, I lied. Gotta get the fan out carefully.
Get your damn hand in there. And of course it is still too tight.
That's what she said. Well, there's still a bolt in it too.
Well, I know, but...
So we get that out, then we can start working on the shroud. Get that done. Get this done. And then we gotta do trans-cooler lines as well. And then she's pretty much finished at that point. Ready to get this thing home.
Get out of the driveways and get paid.
Yeah.
Cars ain't making money if they're sitting here.
Get them gone. All right. Donkey's carefully pulling the fan out. There we are. All right. Then we will mock up our shroud, mark our center line, and then go from there. Probably just throw a few bolts in that baby, yeah. Get that going. Oof. And we gotta put one of the just little thin spacers here for the air cleaner.
Who's the air cleaner for this in the
it's
trunk?
Inside.
Oh.
We have it.
That's gonna be good enough. All right.
All right. So.
Shroud's over there.
Yeah. Hand it to you. Ugh. Here you go. It's one of those Dominator race products ones, because these cars never actually came with shrouds.
I can see why.
Yeah, but they also don't like the heat, so there's that.
Yeah.
We might have to pull the pulley, I believe.
Yeah.
Probably the pulley on the upper hose. Get it in there, mocked up.
Grab a flathead and get that hose off.
The pulley will come off easy enough.
Well, yeah, I need a fucking flathead to get that hose off, though.
Yep. I'll go grab you one,
Okay.
and we'll get this off. All right.
I have no idea how this is.
That's gonna go to this side.
I'm trying to figure out
The best,
whitest configuration here.
the best method of your manage.
Yeah. All right, well, that's as good as that. You got a marker.
Now we'll get one in a second here. Just taking Sharpie that. But that's dimensionally correct. So we just got to get it.
I'm saying put the fan in the center of this, get it centered, cut our hole around that, and then
Yeah.
come back and
we could even, for the pilot tit, you could even notch it, because it won't kill the flow enough to
Other
matter.
thing we could do is trim this fucking edge off so we can actually get it in there.
Yeah, we might actually do that, because we do want, ideally, the fan half in, half out. So,
But the problem I have...
but we don't want to go too far, because we do need something to make brackets too.
Well, hold on. The problem is, if we keep the lip,
The lip is
we
too
would
much.
have to keep the lip, though. Because if we cut the lip off, the problem is, what we're hitting on is the tank, but the actual radiator sits like an inch forward.
Well, the core, the dimensions of the core,
I'm not worried
match
about
that.
the dimensions. I'm worried about physically getting this in here.
Yeah, but the core matches this dimension.
Yeah. Well, they know. It's supposed to be.
No, the Dominator logo is in this corner. So, little trimmy trim. Trimmy trim, trim, trim.
Yeah, so if we don't trim, well, yeah, let's put the fan on here and cut this out.
Let's locate
There
that.
we go, at least get this.
I love Donkey. He's cantankerous. He's a grumpy old man.
That's a problem.
All right, so right now, rough cut done. So we're probably gonna trim just a hair off this flange. Get that all trimmed, get this situated and in, mock it up further. And then it's a process. It's an in and out, sir.
Yeah.
Mr. Donkey. It's in and out. But, all right, coming along. Ready, break.